Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review, the place where we unbox, review, and reveal the hottest drops in the game. Today, I've got something super exciting for you all. We're unboxing the legendary Jordan 4 Retro Midnight Navy. Just look at that box. Sleek, classic, and full of anticipation. If you're a sneakerhead or even just a fan of clean style, this one is going to blow your mind. Let's dive in and see what's inside now that we've got these beauties out of the box. Let's talk about what makes the Jordan 4 Retro Midnight Navy such a standout. First off, that upper is crafted in premium white leather, giving it that fresh, clean look. You've got the signature black support wings for that bold contrast, and those navy molded eyelets that just pop. And don't miss the crimson Jumpman logo on the tongue. It gives the shoe that final hit of energy. Plus, confort? It's on point. You've got encapsulated air in the forefoot and a visible air unit in the heel, making it not just stylish, but seriously comfortable for all day wear. I know a lot of you are probably wondering where you can grab it. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for high-quality footwear and trendy apparel, OBOsee.com ** is a must-visit destination. This online store has built a reputation for offering a wide range of stylish sneakers, from classic must-haves to the latest releases. Whether you're into iconic brands or exclusive designs, OBOsee ensures you get premium quality products without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of this website is its affordable pricing. You don't have to break the bank to rock the freshest kicks. Plus, they prioritize authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing that every pair is crafted with top-tier materials and attention to detail. Shopping at OBOsee.com is a hassle-free experience thanks to their secure payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are safe and smooth. Their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to unbox your new favorites, making it perfect for sneakerheads eager to get their hands on the latest drops. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their excellent customer service is always ready to assist, providing a seamless and satisfying shopping journey. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone who loves staying ahead of fashion trends, OBOsee.com delivers on quality, affordability, and reliability. If you're looking for a go-to place for sneakers and fashion essentials, this site is definitely worth checking out. A lot of you are probably wondering where you can grab a pair of these, especially if you're looking to catch a good deal. Well, you're in luck. There's a website that's currently running a special sale on the Jordan 4 Retro Midnight Navy. Whether you want them for your collection, for everyday wear, or as a gift, this is your chance to score them at a great price. The link to the website is right there in the description below this video. Just scroll down and click easy as that's it for today's unboxing on See My Review. If you're feeling these kicks as much as I am, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive unboxings and reviews. All the details you need, the buying link, social media accounts, contact numbers, and any other helpful websites are all listed in the description. Make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you